Tina's home needs repairs. Perhaps she has fire damage or a paint spill. Either way, she puts in a call to her insurer or general contractor. The insurer or contractor accesses the DigsFact portal, sets up a new case and takes Tina's details. The DigsFact portal can be standalone or can integrate with the company's other systems, pulling in existing data where available. Once Tina's details are in the portal, the rep sends her an email or a text so that Tina can take the next steps without having someone visit her home. The message provides Tina's unique case ID and PIN and a link to open or download the DigsFact app. The app can be company branded, or its functionality can be accessed through the insurer or contractor's existing app. Tina uses the app to photograph the damage. And uses its simple point-and-click technology to create a plan of the room. It's easy for Tina to submit both the photo and the plan to the company, adding her unique identifiers, and the insurer or contractor can see them instantly in the DigsFact portal. The company rep can view the plan of the room and take any measurements they like from the photo. With older smartphones and tablets, accuracy is above 95%, and this climbs to 99% plus for recent versions. Within seconds of Tina's submission, and within minutes of her first contact, the insurer or contractor can accurately assess the work required and prepare an estimate. Job done. Simple, accurate, cost-effective. DigsFact.